Hi everyone, my name is Rion. Hope you are doing well. In this video I would like to talk about some golden tips to get more Redbubble sales organically or from search results. And this video is specific for everyone who's working on Redbubble, especially beginners. So please focus with me in this video and you will thank me later. And I will show these tips and these devices in a practical way because I will show them and apply them on one of my latest sales on Redbubble to make it more clear and for more encouragement and for more elaboration. And as a support to me, I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others. And now let's not waste any time anymore. Let's go together to my Redbubble sales message. And here in this Redbubble message, the customer is in the United States and he purchased two products with two different designs, as you see. So let's take them one by one as examples of our today's tips, so please focus with me to make the best of them. And now let's begin with the first item, which is about magnet of Per Nessie mountain dog lover. Love Per Nessie. And here in this item we will take two important tips. The first one is about magnet, and the magnet is the item of the stickers category, which includes stickers, transparent stickers, glossy stickers, and magnet. So tip number one, you have to enable and activate the sticker item for every single design you upload on redbubble.com, because the sticker item is the best selling item on Redbubble, and it's better to you to activate all products as possible as you can for every single design, because the more available products, the more chances to get sales, and you don't know which products the customer would purchase for that specific design. Okay, and when your design has more click-through rates, it makes the algorithms on Redbubble push your design higher in the search results. Okay, so please, number one, you have to activate and enable the sticker item for every single design, okay, like that. Okay, and it's better to you to activate all products on Redbubble, starting t-shirts, home decors, masks, and puzzles, and so on. Okay, so the first step today is activation the sticker item. Okay, and the second tip today is about Per Nessie mountain dog lover. Love Per Nessie. And it's clear for you it is a sub niche or micro niche of the dog niche. So if you are a beginner on redbubble.com, it's better to you to go through sub niches or micro niches or cross niches, because they are less in competition, and of course they are easier to be ranked high on the search results, thus getting sales. And regarding our item today, is the Per Nessie mountain dog, and it is one of the dog types or sub niches of the dog niche. And for sure I have discussed before about this specific sub niche and how profitable it really is. So please watch this video and I will leave its link below in the description box. Okay, so we have extracted two important tips about this item. The first one is about magnet or this item. Okay, so you have to enable and activate the sticker item for every single design. Okay, and going through sub niches or micro niches or cross niches. Okay, and regarding the second item, which is about kids pullover hoodie of porn to be a gamer, video games lover, there are two super important tips you have to know. The first one is concerned to kids pullover hoodie. Unfortunately, most of you neglect to activate kids clothes. So if you are newbie on redbubble.com, you have to give some interest to kids clothing. And of course, it is also in terms of activating all products as much as possible, because Redbubble is a family website where people are searching for designs that are printed on many items that are for men, women, and kids. So from now on, in order to not to lose any probable sales, if your design is suitable for kids, just activate kids class. Okay, and if you don't know how to make this activation or enable this item, go to your Redbubble and after uploading your design, okay, like this one, happy emoji, just going to the first template of standard print clothing. Okay, just click over edit, and here you will find two options. The first one is about adjusting the design on this t-shirt, okay, and the second option is about activating the items of this category, like t-shirt, hoodies, classic t-shirt, and so on. And by default you will find this kids clothes are unchecked, like this one, kids, toddler, okay. So if your design is suitable for kids, just check them at once, okay. Very easy. Okay, so back to our drawing board, okay, for our Redbubble message. Okay, so the first step in this item is activating all products as much as possible, including kids clothes. Okay, and the second tip today is about born to be a gamer, and it is a gaming related keyword. So if you are a beginner on redbubble.com, you have to be more careful when you select the main keyword that you would put in the title of your design. In simple words, you have to select the main keyword with less competition or with less search results. Okay, so in our today's case, born to be a gamer, going to Redbubble, here you will find just only 2,000 results, which means in this keyword, in this main keyword, you get more chances to get high in the search results and the first pages of search results in comparison to this one, gaming keyword, which means if you have selected gaming keyword as a main keyword in the title of your design, you have more difficulties to get ranked high in the search results. Okay, and the same in this keyword of gaming lover and so on. Okay, so you have to be careful when you select the main keyword of your design, which has less competition and less crowding and less number of search results. Okay, so we are going back to our message. Okay, so in this video you have got 4 golden tips for everyone working on Redbubble to make more sales from search results. By the first one is activating all available products on redbubble.com and going through sub niches and micro niches for the big niches. Okay, if you are a beginner, and activating the kids cloth if your design is suitable for kids. And of course, if you are going through a big niche, just select the main keyword with less competition, like this one. So we reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. And I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others. See you in the next video, and goodbye.